Let's make some firecracker shrimp. It's a great appetizer and really easy to do. For our wonton wrappers, we just took some egg roll wrappers and cut them into triangles. We have peeled and deveined our shrimp and scored them so they don't curl up when frying. They stay nice and straight. Season shrimp with lime juice, salt and pepper, and chili flakes. Now it's on to the rolling. We place that shrimp on the back edge. And then we're gonna roll it up slightly, okay? Because in a second, we're gonna go ahead and get our wash, a little water, a little brush. And we're gonna brush the edges of the triangle. Go ahead and brush those remaining edges. Now go ahead and fold over the triangle tip. And then we're gonna roll up the rest of the way. Think of it as if you were rolling a burrito. It's all good. If you mess up, start over, try again. Just to recap, peel and devein that shrimp, but leave them tails attached. Roll these shrimp up in that wrapper, leaving the tail out. When you roll up just a little bit, then wet those edges and fold that flap over, then roll like a burrito. You feel me? And then go ahead and heat that oil up to 350 degrees and fry them for 4 minutes until golden brown. Tell me what you think.